It's your girl Hunchovb back with another video. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, blessed day today. Look, guys, I know y'all have seen, my videos, and you don't know what I'm going to look like from one video to the next. Well, I had color put in my hair and someone did too much bleaching, and so I had to end up cutting my hair. Anyway, and had to cut it again. I'm kind of liking this style here. I don't know what y'all think, but I'm kind of liking this. Okay. Anyway, I'm switching it up a bit, doing something different. Look what I'm doing. Hey! Okay, so I'm gonna make some tacos. This is not meat. I want to see what this is going to taste like. We're going to do it in NINJA FOODI. Look, guys, I'm not going vegan. I'm not even vegetarian. I'm just switching it up. I'm just being me. So come on, guys. Let's get started. Oh, and another thing. If you're saying to yourself, it sounds like Hunchovb is talking a little differently. I don't think so. But if there is a slight difference, hey, Hunchovb got some Invisalign. All right now, hey. Anyway, guys, hey, what you gonna do with me but love me? Okay, we're gonna turn on the Ninja, and we're gonna do the sear saute. I guess you hear my grandson in there screaming without playing his game. And I'm going to keep it on high. Okay, so the Ninja is heating up, and I'm going to use my the meatless ground beef. It's got some good stats. It's only 60 calories for a third of a cup. Only 4 carbs. Okay, so this is whoa. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Looks like regular ground beef to me. Alright, let's get this over into the pot. I'm going to spray the inner pot with some oil. Okay. Okay, here goes. Oh, alrighty. Okay, not bad. I hope it tastes good. Gonna squirt in some garlic. So I'm treating this like I would if I were having to, brown the ground beef and add the seasonings to it. Smells good so far with this garlic. Okay, it's beginning to sizzle there, so I'm going to now add some taco seasoning. You see I don't have that much. Okay, so look like I'm adding about a tablespoon and a half of taco seasoning. And I'm going to add some water. Okay. I want this to cook down a little bit, get those flavors in there. And I'm going to turn the sear saute level down to medium. Okay, I think it's getting to the consistency that I'm looking for. I don't want to dry it out. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off. Chop up some onions. And let's get these tacos assembled. Okay guys, this is what we have going on right now. Look. Okay, so that's plant-based. I got my taco shells. I have some refried beans, and I chopped up some lettuce, onions, and then I have some shredded Mexican cheese, the Mexican blend. And I have some crema. I found this at Costco. And I've got some taco sauce. Okay, let's get this assembled. I'm really excited. Okay guys, I guess I need a plate here. Okay, so let's get this assembled. Got my taco shell, some refried beans. I'm gonna put that down in here. Line up the bottom here. I'm going to take some of the plant-based, meatless beef. It smells really good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then I'm going to do maybe a little cheese so that I can melt a little onions. Oh my goodness. And then do some lettuce on top. Y'all see what I'm doing here? I'm getting too excited. Okay, now what do we want to do? Alright guys. Let me move this around. I need one of those things, those taco things that I see other people have, so I can set my taco out. Okay, so I'm gonna, I haven't tried this before. Spicy taco sauce, and put a little of that on there. Boom. Oh yeah. Don't want to put too much. And look guys, if this works and I like it, that means I can give it to my grandson who doesn't like to eat vegetables at all. I'm working on it. I'm working on getting these veggies into him. Okay. Do a little of this crema. Yeah. I gotta hook this thing up here. Didn't mean to put that much. Okay. Oh, see, this is coming out. Alright. Woo. Okay guys, hey. My masterpiece turned over. Anyway. Let's put this to the test. Doesn't that look good? Looks like a regular taco, doesn't it? With beef. Okay. I need a napkin. Guys, this is really good. I am totally amazed. I like this a lot. I wouldn't be telling you something just to be telling you because I don't get any profit out of telling you something like this, but I like this. I'm gonna try this again. And look, I'm gonna fix it for my grandson. I'm not gonna say a word. Guys, thank you for joining me today. I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy my tacos. And I want you to have a good rest of your day. What? On purpose. If you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. And hey, don't forget to hit that bell button below so that you can be notified of new upcoming videos. And until next time, Hunchovb BB is out.